Sounds of the rain hit the roof. Birds chip away. Chainsaw machine sounds. My pet thread-waisted wasp protect larvae in the nursery cells. Larvae wiggle, spin the silk cocoon, spinning cap time lapse, preparing for the adult stage, pupating. Niceness. We do see an abandoned nest. Wasps in the background, building nests. Yes, niceness. I do want to thank these guys for letting me document their lifestyle. Otherwise they could rough me up, but they decide not to roughen me up and let us enjoy and let you guys get to know more about their lifestyle. Niceness. Big up to the my pet thread-waisted wasps.